Here's Blake's ass. What up? Woo. Putting a stain on that can.
What's up, dude?
What are you doing? What on there? Bro, I know you didn't show up like that to help me with this bike.
Hold on. This thing's empty. I need to get a refill, then we can get started.
Maybe
Dude, I've been cleaning out all beauty here. We need to get this motor rebuilt, and I just made this a rolling shop. I've been working on it for weeks. This thing's set up like a Matco tool truck damn near. I'm saying it's ready to rock. It can do just about any job you want. Tile, motorcycles, race cars. Got a paint booth in the back. It's not ventilated yet, but I don't think we're gonna make it ventilated. I just got my refill, but I'm gonna show you how to get that two-stroke back to tight butthole. I just want to say I'm so glad that you didn't just get some random stupid bozo that was gonna charge you what, $800 plus, that don't know shit of what they're doing. They don't know their ass from their butthole. I'm gonna teach you how to.
Dude.
So usually I always like to get my tools out in the open first so that I don't have to dig through them. I already know what I need. Oh yeah, and I brought you a cylinder, a good one. It's got a good cylinder.
How much is that gonna cost me?
We'll talk about it later.
Oh my God.
Some of these tools I really wasn't comfortable putting on camera because this technology hasn't been used for humans in a long time. I've got my honer, and I've also got my valve cutter, and this is what I mile down my heads and valves with. And this is going to be really useful on this two-stroke today. Yeah, but we've got nylon power, we've got steel power, and we've got brass. This is going to edge up your cylinder and make it really grab. When it's going to give you more compression than you have ever dreamed of. But there's other ways we're going to give you more compression too. And dude, that 35 bucks that I'm charging you is, you got me for the whole day. And you're gonna learn a lot of valuable knowledge about motor building. These valves are gonna be producing so much horsepower on this two-stroke that you won't even be able to believe how much top end, bottom end, middle end. All right, now let's get the rest of the tools that we actually need. That should be about it.
You sure you don't need the zip ties?
Not yet. You need a flat surface to start with. You're gonna need to get those studs bigger.
No.
First, I want to make sure that we can get a hotter spark plug so that it can produce enough spark. So.
Your clamp come loose.
Look, see that? Look. You see how the ridges were in there? Look how big, look how much bigger those are. It's gonna force the spark down. Look. You getting in on that? Guess what? How else do you get more spark? You out another spark plug. I need to get this out of the way because this is the most important part. This is really what you're paying for, and get a close up inside there. That's nasty. We're gonna fix that. You know, if you don't like and subscribe, I won't be able to afford my mobile business, and you all want to see me. You all want me to come to your house and fix something for you, do a custom build. I can do that. I can give your hot tub spa more horsepower. When you put your pecker in them jets, boy, I tell you what, you ain't gonna last 2 seconds. We got a special treat for y'all. Yes, we're using some mullet jizz today. And this isn't just for your hair.
Oh my God. God damn, this shit's going everywhere.
Something that get on you?
No. Oh!
Oh, my back. You got insurance?
Bro,
You got insurance?
I ain't got the insurance. No, not for you. Not work comp or nothing like that.
I ain't gonna sue you today, but that's his homeboy hookup. Next time, though, you ready?
Yeah.
Lucky dog, you.
Yeah.
You almost got him. Look at that.
I mean,
You thought I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. Now we need to make some forced air induction marks. What we're doing right now is, so usually this part's in the way, I've noticed, and it stops the cooling down cycle. I'm about to shave the head down. You might want to watch your eyes. This is something you really want to have like super precision on. You got to know what you're doing. You want a very smooth, even surface. Really, your main goal is you want to make sure that you have a clean workspace, and you want to make sure that you don't have any dirt contamination. You see how that's now a smooth, even surface. I took off about 48 millimeters, about 2 pecker sizes. I'm not gonna hone out this side though, because I've already basically done it from the other side. 632 cc's.
Was a 69 cc bore? It's a 69 overbore.
Yeah, well that's with the valves.
You told me.
You didn't ask with or
you
without
said
the valves.
no. You told me that you would give me a 69 overbore for the $35.
Okay, I'll do it. So here it is. This is what makes it the 69 bore. Finally, you're gonna know. You've seen nickel plate. You've seen aluminum plate. You've
ceramic
seen
coating.
ceramic coatings. You've
Nickel
seen
seal.
just about everything. But have you seen bed liner? Do you know what this is made out of? This is made out of a rhino's foreskin, people. This is the toughest shit in the planet. It's tougher than dork, which is whale cock. Let's see what this baby will do to this cylinder.
You know what it's gonna do, don't you?
See, what you want is you want something for the piston rings to grab as it's going up and down so that it's harder to push. You don't want it smooth.
Is that stuff almost done powder coating in the van?
Yeah. Oh, I had my windows down, damn it. I know it cooled down too much. Well, you ready for the finished product? She's about done baking. Just powder coated her in the van. Look at that. You thought I was fucking playing, didn't you?
Hold still. Let
Get
me
in
see
there.
that crosshatch.
Get in there and see that.
Oh my goodness.
Did you see that? I told you I'd teach you some tricks. You didn't believe me.
Well, man, that looks worth $35.
Well, yeah, that's the labor.
What do you mean?
We got parts and taxes. 38 for the labor, but I mean, with taxes.
35.
Well, okay, we'll do 35 plus the parts. It takes it to 1,235.
What parts?
The head that I built, my tools, furnishing my tools. Cost for my van getting here. I had to get an alignment. I needed new tires. I had to restock up on beer. 35.
So it's not even you.
Whatever.
It's not
35.
even you that's fucking me then.
35. I don't make the rules. I don't make the prices on these. I mean,
That some
I
bitch
pick
is
them up a
rusty
little
as
bit.
shit.
That's on this side. That side sticks out of the motor, I think.